Hello everyone, this is Dr. Luis Gavin. I'm in Dubai. I'm oral maxillofacial surgeon from Spain, working in King's College Hospital and also specialized for TMJ or temporomandibular joint, which means it's an entity in which the patient they can feel any issue, any complaint in the neck, in the head, in the shoulder, like a migraine, like headaches, tension in the neck, tension in the face, ear ringing, and really pain on face. Really so different conditions are all of them within this entity medical term named temporomandibular joint.